Hello friends, welcome to Digitrade YouTube channel. So if you are someone who is very tight on its budget and looking to explore some of the free digital marketing and SEO tool, then this video course is for you. In this video course, I'm going to walk you through all the free tools that are available with SEMrush free account. So you do not need to purchase any of the SEMrush paid plans. Although I'm offering 14 days of free trial, check the link in the description. By using it, you can explore some of the paid features of SEMrush. But this video is all about what are the free tools that are available with SEMrush and how you can utilize to get maximum, benefit out of it. So now let's go to the laptop screen and see all the things in action. Okay, right now I am on my SEMrush website, and this is how the dashboard looks like. On the left hand side, you can see all the important tools that you need to use. Now, all of them are not free. They have listed all of their tools, but not all of them are free. So let us see what are those free tools and what we can do with them. The first tool is domain overview. So if you want to know your authority score of your website, if you want to know what are the keywords that are ranking, you will get a limited data, but you will get a limit data that is good to get started, right? So yeah, I'm going to enter my domain name. You can find with the help of specific countries or worldwide. So I'm going to choose worldwide. I'm going to click on search. So you can see that this is what the data looks like. So my authority score is 9. How many organic search traffic I'm getting? 91. How many backlinks for my websites are now? These are both do follow and no follow backlinks. Um, Also, I get like how many traffic share is like percentage. 33% of my traffic on my website is from India, 21 from USA. All those things. How many keywords are ranking? 583 keywords are ranking in the US, 87 are ranking in India. What is the traffic trend? So you can see the traffic trend of my organic traffic trend. You can also see how the keywords over the period of times are ranking, right? So you can see I started back in 20 March 20, and that time there was no block on my website. So as I kept writing, more and more keywords started getting ranked. So right now you can see that in the top three position there are no keywords that are ranking in the Google, but in the top 4 to 10 there are 26 keywords that are ranking, and as we go down the line, the keywords gets in that are ranking are increasing, right? Um, so you can see all those details, right? You can see like intent of the keywords, right? So there is commercial intent for this keyword. This is informational intent. Informational means people are trying to find some form of information. Commercial means people are trying to buy something or purchase anything, right? So depending on your blog, you can target the different type of keywords. So if you are writing informational blogs, so it's good to target keywords that are informational in nature. Intent wise they are informational. If you target keywords that are transactional, you will get more competition from people who are showing ads on Google. So first they will have an ad, then your result will be shown on the Google. So that is not a good choice if you are an information. But if you are someone like in e-commerce brand or product are listed, then go for transactional or commercial, no problem. You can see that organic positions are there like 304 keywords are ranking on 51 to 100 position. All those things you can see how many intent wise how much the percentage is, what the are the keywords, how much the traffic, etc. You can see what are my main organic competitors. So these are my competitors. What are the common keywords between them? You can click on it and view it, right? So yeah, I'm not running any uh, paid add something, so no issue with that. So these are the important data you can see, right? Okay, so now there is another thing is called organic research. Now what it shows to you is keywords. It shows how many keywords are ranking, what is the percentage growth of it, how much traffic increase is there. Currently, there is a decrease in traffic, right, compared to the previous month. Traffic cost, branded traffic and non-branded traffic. How what was the keyword trend looks like? So it's on more keywords are ranking, as you can see. Um, so the trend is already increasing. That is a good thing about organic keywords. Now, how many keywords are ranking and what are their positions? So you can see the position of this I Raju is changed, right? It was first 48 position, now 29. So and the traffic, so it's good for me, right? I will get more traffic. So I'm ranking more on the upper side on the Google search result. So more people will see my website, right, or that article. This is what it is. Now you can also see like top position changes. You can see this keyword. So this keyword is ranking currently at 91 position. So this is a new keyword. Its volume, how much volume traffic it's getting. You can also see like how much lost. Like this was this keyword lost its position. So it was ranking at the higher position. Now it's dropped in the Google search results. So if such thing happens, then you need to rewrite such articles, and so make sure that the article is well written for SEO. Improved. So it has improved, right? This all the keywords has improved from their positions, right? Some of the keywords are decreased, right? So this, where at first it was at sixth position, now it's in the ninth position. So this is what you need to be concerned about, right? You can also find about keyword intent, informational navigation. So if you are writing a blog and you are not selling something, then having intent of informational is important. uh, but if you are selling something, maybe you can target commercial and transactional type of keywords. You can also see like what are the top pages that are ranking, how much traffic it is getting, percentage traffic, what are the keywords from that pages are ranking. So this is all free of cost, right? You do not have to pay anything. What are the main organic competitors I have? So these are all the organic competitors I have. Again, as I am, it's a disclaimer, right? So you will not be able to see much in-depth information. You will be able to see about 10 results per day. So you may need to come back again and again daily to SEMrush to access new data daily. But I think if you are tight on budget, this much data is very important, and if you can take the right action, it's going to be very useful for you, right? So yeah, that's about it. Now let's move to the keyword research. Okay, so now you can also find important keywords related to the topic that you are trying to write an article on, right? So you have to just enter the keyword. Suppose I want to write article on email marketing. I'm going to enter the keyword, right? You can choose country that you want to. I'll go for USA. I'll click on search. As you can see, this is all the important data that I got, right? So you can see the database is for targeting United States. It's based on both all questions and all type. It's a broad match. You can go for phrase match, exact match, related match, depending on how narrow you want to target, right? If you want to be very specific, then you can go for exact match, right? What type of keywords you're looking for. So you can see that keywords are also segmented properly in different categories: service, software, campaign. So they are given the tags, right? You can see the important keywords are here. So you can see that this is the three best free email marketing tools and services. So the keyword difficulty is very important. So if it's high, then it's not worth it. Like unless you are having a lot of a lot of authority or score of your website. You can also see the volume is great, but again, it's a commercial. So more people that are running ads are targeting here. So maybe if you are targeting informational content and it's not right for you, you can go for this intentional informational type of keywords, email marketing strategy. You can see the keywords is good. Again, yeah, it's a difficult keyword to rank. Cost per click is also $12.34. That's a good thing. uh, Competitive density. So it's its score should be less, right? So that's about it. So the results you can see, and when it was last updated, you can see that also. If you want more results, again, you need to subscribe to the trial version. The link is in the description. So yeah, that's how it is. You can let me go to the keyword overview. You can see the keyword overview. That is what we are getting. So what you're getting is email marketing. So you can see the volume is 33.1K. Difficulty is great, right? Again, it's a difficult keyword. Both commercial and informational type of content can be written. Trend is again increasing itself. And yeah, so other things like you can also get some variations here. You can get what type of questions have been asked, what are the related keywords related to email marketing, what are the top blogs that or websites that are ranking for this. So you can see these are all websites that have their own email marketing tools. So it's very hard to compete with those. So yeah, for this is for this keyword, right? But you can have different niche or subject to write on, right? So that's about. Okay, so now in the link building section, let us see what are the free options available or what are the things that we can explore, right? So in the backlink analytics, all you have to do is enter your domain name, and it is going to provide you backlink data. Let us see. So you can see these are all the referring domains to my website. These are the backlinks that I'm getting. The monthly visit from the uh, backlinks are 2.4k, keywords that are ranking are 1.5k, outbound domains are 163. Toxicity is low, that is a good thing, right? So what is toxicity? So basically the amount of backlinks that are referring to me are healthy domains that are related to my domain or my topic. They are not some spam related domains or etc, right? So they are all useful and help build authority score for my website, right? You can see. So obviously organic traffic is low to this domain. Authority score, right? So with the help of old authority score formula, it was 17, but right now they have some new authority score on the basis of which it has dropped, and it is currently showing authority score has 9, right? So how many referring domains are, what are their trends, how many backlinks are, what are their trends, you can find over here. How many referring domains I am getting, how many I am losing, all those data. How many backlinks I am getting, how many I am losing, all those data. What are the categories or from which I am getting backlinks, so all those things are here. What are the anchors text that are used while referring to me, all those things you can use, check over here. Backlinks I'm getting in form of what, image, text, most of them are from the text. What type of backlinks I'm getting, follow or no follow, follow, so you should be aiming for more type of follow type of backlinks. No follow does not pass the authority score or authority juice that is needed, right? What are the domain score, authority score of the domains that are referring to me? Most of them are in the 11 to 20 authority score. One of two referring domains are authority score of 61 to 70. Uh, what are their, to TLD distribution, right? Top level domain type, right? So most of them are from .com. What the country of the domain is, backlinks are from the USA is most. So all this data you can track from here, right? So yeah, that's the important thing, right? So you can also find backlink audit. Basically it shows, again we talk about toxicity score. It provides one project you can create free, right? So you can see you can get toxicity score. Basically you should be aiming for low toxicity score. So most of the domains that are referring to me are having good health, that is good thing. So you can track all those data from here. The other things are like link building tool and bulk analysis. I do not know if it's available for free. Let us see. I'm just going to set up. So for that, what you have to do is you have to add the keywords, right? So let me type in keywords. So once you add the keywords, you need to type in your competitors that you want to compete with. and then you have to click on start link building, right? So it's now currently analyzing the data. Let us see. Let us come back once it's done. Okay, so now the data is ready. Let us see that they are completed analyzing the data and they have found around 1600 domain prospects. So let us view them. So as you can see that these are all the blogs written by authors that are related to my domain. So I have inserted keywords, right, related to email marketing, G2, all those things, right, gift card, etc. So you can do here is these are all the prospects that I may want to reach out to get backlinks on their website, right? So all I have to do is click here, and you have to select what type of strategy that you want to, you know, use to reach out to them. So maybe if I want to use their guest post strategy, just I'm going to select this guest post. Now your selected prospect domains are in your progress list. So these are all the uh, so if I go in progress, you can see that this is the blog. So I can do is contact the author, right? So all I have to do is click on contact and send an email from here. So write a template and send an email. So if you want to, get a backlink for your website. So that's how everything works in this in this domain. So all those things are there, right? Let me go back to it. So these are all my prospects. As you can see, you can update from here. All you have to do is select all those things you want to reach. You can just select from here bulk, and you can add those strategy. It will go into progress. You can monitor. You can also connect your mailbox from over here to send an email use inside the SEMrush. So yeah, that's completed the our thing, right? So you can also do bulk backlink analysis. So you can analyze your competitors. You can find link building opportunities and also export the results, right? Maybe I want to. Sir, I'm just typing in random domain name. Maybe these are my. I want to compare my backlinks profile with them. Obviously, they are big website, right? So maybe just I want to compare. So you can see that although there is no comparison over here, but yeah, for the sake of the demonstration, this is how their profile looks like, right? So they have like 16.9 million follow links, 7.7 million no follow links. So maybe I want to see who are giving them backlink, right? So maybe if I can, okay, so I do not have access to this domain, that's fine. But yeah, that's how, that's the data that we get from over here, right? So that completes our link building portion. Thanks.